So today is Christmas Eve. It's a good, might be 35 today. We had some snow this morning, but it's all melted. So the duckies thought they'd take a swim. Silly duckies. Does that feel better? I got the pool back out because it was warm last week. So I had to clear the ice out of it, but then they got to swim. Whew. Just needed a winter bath, I guess. Are you going to get in? Nope, just getting a drink. Oh, there she goes. Yeah, isn't that a little chilly? Guess it doesn't matter. Ducks are well insulated.